a Mastiff, the nicest Mastiff ever. Okay, good. Get back at it. She was so scared at first, and now she's like, all right, I guess it's cool. Right.
Yeah, I'm surprised the guys are supposed to come on Thursday's game.
He just kind of opened the gate earlier without letting us know or anything. I was like, oh shit, good thing she's got a good recaller. She could have been gone right there.
Yeah, that canyon down there is pretty big.
Yeah, see a rabbit or something? Oh my god.
I used to walk dogs over by the park over there, but I was with Maurice and Puggy one day.
Was there off leash?
Walking over there, and there's 2 coyotes just sitting there.
Oh shit.
I was like, fuck this.
They can take down big dogs too if they group or they bite the back ankle.
Yeah, they can take out a pug real quick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They use dogs kind of like this, but they're faster than greyhounds to hunt them, surprisingly. The hardest part is catching them.
Had to get a hold of them. Get over there.
The coyotes here, though, are
Small.
I was in Northern California, the coyotes are big.
Mexico too, they're real big.
Yeah.
I saw one, just a big seagull in its mouth, and I was like, damn, that's big. They still have lanky legs, like not much weight to them, but per pound, their muscles are a lot stronger.
The coyotes are bigger down there than here?
Yeah, if you go far enough down.
Yeah.
Because here they just like eat cats and rabbits and stuff. There's a lot of open land still, I feel like.
Yeah,